Now this one is a good one. This is so useful around the house and the garage. You just have to get it because this is a Rotary Tool 4V Rotary Tool Cordless. Now everybody knows the famous one that has a cord, but this opens up your world with being cordless and gives you that mobility that just makes it so much better. So in this compact package you get actually 80 pieces. It has preset 9-speed adjustment grinding, cutting, sanding, carving and polishing, engraving. This is great for DIY crafts. It has a 380 motor for powerful performance with a top speed of 28,000 RPM. That's plenty to get the job done. You could go from light cutting to drilling, carving, you name it. It charges with a Type-C in just 2 to 4 hours and has a clear battery display. This way you know where you stand as far as charge. It has a memory function that it retains the last set gear within 5 minutes after shutting down. This way you don't have to work through the gears when you start and stop your project. It fits in your hand nice and easy. You could use it as a pen or just hold it on the side. So easy grip. The wide range of easily changeable accessories makes this a great deal and a powerful tool that you should have.